Hello everyone, welcome back. For those who are new, I'm Alice. So in today's episode, everything is about Valentine's Day. Because we're gonna have Valentine's Day in next month, so I think it's a good idea to make some crafts. So actually making crafts is very easy and fun. You can create a special and unique gift to show your love. Also, you can spend time with your family and friends to create together, really enjoy the holiday vibes. And after you finish it, you're gonna be very proud of yourself because it's so special and meaningful. Okay, so before we start it, don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you won't miss out. Okay, let's go! Okay, so these are the things we're gonna use in this episode. So first, let's have a look. So this one is a heart. Basically it's like a jewelry making kit, and you can see they have different styles so that I can easily to make ideal one for the Valentine's Day. Okay, so this is the one. This is I purchased from Handmade. Yeah, and this as well. So this is like basically a heart canvas. So I can use acrylic color to do a painting. Actually, it has 4. Yeah. So this one, it's a jewelry box. It's a jewelry box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to like paint outside and put all these stuff into this jewelry box. Okay, and this. Dun-dun. So actually this is a colored drawing paper. This one I purchased from Daiso. It has 10 different colors. If we see like 10 different colored paper and all A3 size. I think I'm gonna do some craft. And last but not least, so this one, it's also like a heart pink card style, very cute, also from Daiso. Okay, so I am going to do I think this one. Yeah. Okay. First, I pick the charms I want to use and put them in a small dish. So in this way, it's easier for me to grab them. Next, I stream the charms one by one, just the way I like. Making a bracelet usually takes 15 minutes to 1 hour, really depending on how simple the design is. As a beginner, I recommended starting with an easy style. These bracelets are super popular right now. People love making them in a fun and meaningful way to show love and connection with their family and friends. In this video, I will show you how to make a special bracelet just for Valentine's Day. Keep stringing the charms one by one. It's a repetitive step, and you just need to keep choosing different charms. With some time, it will be done. Now it's the final step. Tie a knot to secure the bracelet. Here's the final outcome. Isn't it so cute? The second craft I'm making today is this heart-shaped canvas. This set of 4 canvases is from Handmade, and it's on sale right now, just $1 for 4 pieces. Such a great deal, so I bought a few sets. Today I'm painting something simple on one of these canvases. It's part of the same series as my last painting. If you are interested, you can check out my previous video where I created it using Procreate. I will put the link in the comments below. First, I'm sketching the basic shapes on the canvas using a pencil. This painting was inspired by a calm and dreamy world. The girl represents quiet and peaceful emotions, and her gray hair shows balance. The blue and purple background creates a soft, mysterious feeling, like a moment of deep thought. The pink fish adds a fun and gentle touch, standing out against the cool colors. It symbolizes imagination and dreams. So together, the colors and elements bring a feeling of peace and wonder. Then, I'm using acrylic paint, which is great because it can easily cover the sketch. Unlike watercolor, which is transparent, acrylic paint is perfect for layering and covering. After the sketch, I'm starting with the face and then deciding on the background color. For the hair section, I'm using shades of gray. Gray color isn't a very bright color, but it works well to balance the purple background. After finishing the hair, I'm adding more details to the facial feet. In front of the girl, there's a pink fish, which gives a dreamy feeling. Finally, I'm adding some golden highlights to the background to make the whole painting pop. Okay, that's it. The painting is done. Now it's time to paint the jewelry box. For the outside, I choose a grass green color. I mix the leaf green with white to create this shade. Since the box is made of wood, I need to apply several layers of paint to make the color even and bright. While painting, I noticed that my brush was too small, so it's better to use a larger brush to save time. For the inside, I choose yellow mixed with white to create a light yellow shade. It's best to wait for the outside to dry completely before painting the inside. I let it dry overnight, and once it was fully dry, I started adding details and decorations. The surface of the jewelry box looked a little bit plain, so I used a very fine brush to draw some outlines. Then I added small stickers that looks like gemstones. These gave the surface a three-dimensional effect and made it look more interesting. Next, I used colored drawing paper and a pattern punch to make sakura shade cutouts. I picked red, peach, pale pink, and cream colors. These punches are easy to find in craft stores, and I'm planning to try making heart shapes next time. After everything was done, I found two ways to use the jewelry box. The first way is to stick the hard canvas on the surface of the box. It looks great, doesn't it? The second way is to put all the handmade stuff inside the box, which also looks nice. So which one do you like? Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. We still have like few weeks so that we can create and design some crafts. They're gonna be very special and so much fun, I promise. Okay, then enjoy your holidays, enjoy your weekends, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye!